Imagine driving through a tunnel, and above you is not rock, but an entire ocean. Ships are passing overhead, waves are crashing, millions of tons of water are pressing down, yet you're completely safe and dry. So how is that even possible? How do engineers build tunnels underwater without them instantly flooding? Today, we're diving into the incredible world of underwater tunnel construction. Before anything is built, engineers face one huge challenge: water pressure. The deeper the water, the greater the pressure pushing in from every direction. At just 10 meters deep, the pressure already doubles compared to the surface. Now imagine building something hundreds of meters underwater. The force is enormous. If you simply tried to dig a hole, water would rush in immediately. So the entire process of building an underwater tunnel is really about one thing: keeping water out while building something strong enough to survive the pressure. Method 1. Tunnel boring machines, TBMs. These machines are absolutely massive, sometimes over 100 meters long. At the front is a giant rotating cutter head that grinds through rock and soil beneath the seabed. Engineers don't actually dig through the water. They dig beneath the seabed, where the ground itself acts as a natural barrier against the ocean above. As the TBM moves forward, it installs thick concrete segments behind it. These segments form a circular tunnel lining, locking together to create a super strong, watertight structure. So by the time the machine moves forward, the tunnel behind it is already complete and sealed. It's like building a protective shell as you go. Method 2. Immersed tube tunnels. Instead of digging the tunnel underwater, they actually build it somewhere else first. Huge sections of the tunnel are constructed in a dry dock. Each section can be hundreds of meters long and weigh thousands of tons. Once they're finished, they're sealed so they can float. These sections are then towed out into the water and carefully positioned above a trench that has been dug into the seabed. Next comes the most delicate part: lowering them into place. Each section is slowly sunk into the trench and connected to the previous one with extreme precision. Once connected and sealed, the tunnel is covered with sand and rock, hiding it beneath the water. Method 3. Caissons. Another technique involves something called a caisson. A caisson is basically a giant watertight box that is lowered into the water and sunk into the ground. Once it's in position, engineers pump all the water out, creating a dry workspace inside. Workers can then dig and build safely, even though they are technically underwater. As they continue digging, the caisson slowly sinks deeper until it reaches the desired depth. This method is often used for building tunnel entrances or foundations, especially in areas where other methods aren't practical. Workers can then dig and build safely, even though they are technically underwater. Building the tunnel is only half the battle. Keeping it dry is just as important. Thank you for watching today's video. If you want to see more bite-sized educational videos, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell if you never want to miss a video.